Meaning of fabulist.
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 Fabulist. A fabulist is a person who tells or invents fables or stories, often with a moral lesson. The term comes from the Latin fabula, which means a tale. Fabulists are often associated with the literary genre of fables, which use anthropomorphic animals, plants, and inanimate objects to convey moral lessons in an entertaining way. Some famous fabulists include Aesop, Jean de La Fontaine, and Hans Christian Andersen. In modern usage, the term fabulist can also be used to describe a person who tells lies or exaggerates stories.